Business news: 80% of lands and property under customary arrangements are undocumented. This has affected the property rights of indigents living in various communities across the country.
The group, Community Land and Development Foundation, COLANDEF, conducted a baseline survey for about 15 years across the communities in the country. It identified that most farmers and indigents in communities lose their lands to multinationals because of lack of accurate data on the lands. It again identified that most owners of these lands do not have the requisite capital to facilitate the registration of their lands and property. Currently, COLANDEF has indicated that more than 80% of these lands across the country lack proper documentation. To address these challenges, COLANDEF has agreed to partner with the Lands Commission and the Ministry of Lands to automate all these lands in the communities. To facilitate the process, Executive Director of COLANDEF, Nana Mayira, is confident this new drive of acquiring data to lands in the communities would reduce litigation.
We also provide step-by-step guide on how to do the documentation. So, to start it off, how do you describe the person you are giving the land to? What should go into the agreement? How does what goes into the agreement respond to the national policy framework? So it is a detailed step-by-step guide which will educate, at the same time provide guidance.
Financiers of the project, Omedia Network, said funding has been secured from World Bank and DFID and other partners for the project.
Good partnerships with organizations like the World Bank, DFID from the UK and others, and they're able to mobilize significant resources. So this is a big problem. We think technology plays a very large part in what we do. So we see the use of drones and other technology. And we're excited about partnering here in Ghana to show new approaches to this significant human problem.
The Minister of Lands and Natural Resources, Kwekwa Asumachireme, underscored the relevance of the documentation process to Ghana's development.
There are other insights that emerge during implementation, such as the need to enhance the capacities and strengthen coordination between customary land secretariat and other public land governance agencies.
The Ghana Institution of Surveyors is optimistic this would help protect rights of owners of lands in the communities.